One of the most notorious cases of sexual assault in recent years is the case of Brock Turner. He was a Stanford student and swimmer who attacked an unconscious woman on campus, and he was caught in the act by two witnesses who intervened and held him until the police arrived. He was charged with 5 counts of felony sexual assault, but 2 of them were dropped by the prosecution. He pleaded not guilty to the remaining 3 counts. In 2016, he was convicted by a jury of all 3 counts. He faced up to 14 years in prison, but the judge gave him a lenient sentence of 6 months in jail and 3 years of probation. The judge said that a longer sentence would have a severe impact on him. He also had to register as a sex offender for life and complete a rehabilitation program. The victim, who was known as Emily Doe in court documents, read a powerful statement at the sentencing hearing. She described the trauma and pain that Turner had caused her. She also criticized the way he and his lawyers tried to blame her and minimize his actions. Her statement went viral online and sparked a global outcry. Many people were outraged by the sentence that Turner received. They saw it as a sign of how the justice system fails to protect survivors of sexual assault and how it favors privileged white men like Turner. They also praised Emily Doe for her courage and resilience. A campaign was launched to recall the judge who sentenced Turner. It was led by a law professor at Stanford who argued that the judge had shown bias and disregard for the law and the victim. The campaign gathered enough signatures to put the recall on the ballot, and the judge was removed from office by a majority of voters. It was the first time that a California judge was recalled in 86 years. Turner served only 3 months in jail before he was released for good behavior. He returned to his home state of Ohio, where he has been seen in bars since then. He appealed his conviction, but it was rejected by a higher court. Emily Doe revealed her identity in 2019 as Chanel Miller. She published a memoir called Know My Name, where she told her story in her own words. She also became an advocate for survivors of sexual assault and an artist who uses her voice and creativity to inspire others.